Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix 2x KO game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to check system requirements to play the game. So for that, when you launch the Riot client and search for the game, after that here you have to go below and you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next method is to restart VGC service. So for that you have to go to the Windows search. Now search for services. After that here you have to search for VGC service. So search for VGC and double click on it to open. Now here you have to select startup type as automatic and then click on start option. So wait for some time unless it completes, and after that click on OK and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, is to check server status. So for that you have to go to the Riot games to check the server status of the game. If there is any downtime, you have to wait for it. So simply go to the Google and search for the Riot game service status. Simply open this, and after that here you have to select the game, and after that go below and here you will find if there is any server downtime. If yes, you have to wait for some time, and after that again try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed, or you can also go to the desktop and right click on the shortcut icon of 2x KO game, and after that if it doesn't launches the game, run the game as administrator. So for that, go to the game folder. So here is the game application. You just have to double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, then you have to run the game as administrator. So for that, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility. Here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 7 or Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If the issue still occurs, again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Well, before moving to the next method, you are also suggested to go through this path and run it as administrator. So for that, go to the folder over here, open it, and here you can see line minus win64 minus shipping. You simply right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here also do the same thing. Select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and after that move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for a device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters. So select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Now once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to repair 2x KO game. So for that you have to first launch a Riot client game or app, and after that select the game and then go to the profile icon, select settings and click on repair option. So go to the Riot client and select the game over here. Now click on the profile icon. Now go to settings and here the game is already selected. You can see repair option. You simply have to click on it. Now after you click on the repair option, wait for some time, and once the process is complete, now check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to allow 2x KO through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall drug protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So the game is already listed over here, name as Lion. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and see if you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will search if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options, and then try to launch the game. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here under processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. So you have to simply select them. Now after selecting them, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely remove the app that is running in the background from your system. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed in your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues, because antivirus programs can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it before you launch the game, and then check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. So once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time. Now after this, close it and now restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now log into the game and check if you can play. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if you can now play it or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall 2xKO game. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, go to the apps section. Now go to the installed apps, and here you have to search for the game. It's already listed. Click on the three dot icon and click on uninstall. So this will completely remove the game from your system. Now after that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, again launch Riot Client and reinstall 2xKO game, and then check if you can play it or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix 2xKO game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.